The last hydrocarbon family we are going to look at for constitutional isomers are aromatics. Remember, aromatics have 6 carbons, 6 hydrogens. Each carbon has 3 bonds between carbons and 1 bond with a hydrogen. Because it is hydrogen that gets substituted out for another group, each carbon can only be substituted once. Therefore, in order to have a constitutional isomer with an aromatic, we need at minimum 2 groups. So we're going to look at what are called disubstituted patterns or designations with our aromatic rings. There are 3 different special designations for our disubstituted aromatics based on how far apart the 2 branches are. In the first one, we will have a 1, 2 designation, so the 2 groups are on adjacent carbons. The 1, 2 can also be represented as an ortho designation, or an O. If the branches or substituents are in a 1-3 pattern, that represents a meta designation, or M. And then a 1-4 pattern designates para, or P. Not gonna lie, I could not remember the numbers with their designations when I was learning this material, or relearning it. I had to look for patterns to help make sense of the special designation term to the bonding patterns that existed. What I did is I played connect the dots, essentially. So for our 1-2 bonding pattern, if I connect my 1 to my 2, it essentially makes an O. And I'm not going to lie, very rarely when I write an O do I actually close the circle. So it's what makes sense. Connecting the dots with our 1-3 designation, it looks like an M for meta. And then for the 1-4 designation, has that long line or the stem that allows me to make a P. So these visuals help me remember ortho, meta, or para. Let's look at some real examples. First structure. We have 2 groups. Each of them are methyls, and they are adjacent to each other, so they're going to get that 1-2 numbering. Therefore, this structure is a 1,2 dimethylbenzene. We can use the special designation ortho, or O. So O-dimethylbenzene is the same thing as 1,2 dimethylbenzene. Now that is the IUPAC or systematic name. However, when we have 2 methyl groups on an aromatic, it does have a common name of xylene. Because it has 2 methyl groups, it needs to be numbered or have the special designation. So this structure can also be written as O-xylene. We can check because connecting my dots, it essentially makes an O. The next one, we have that 1,3 pattern. So that 1,3 dimethylbenzene. Using my connect the dots, I have an M. So this is also known as meta or M dimethylbenzene, with a common name being M-xylene. On this last one, we have a 1,4 designation. So this is going to be our 1,4 dimethylbenzene. Connecting my substituents, I get that P, so this is our para or P dimethylbenzene as its IUPAC name. Or it can be P-xylene. Now for these special designations, we do not need to have the same groups. Those are just the examples I used. If we had a methyl and an ethyl, we would name it appropriately. So P-ethyl methylbenzene, as we have done with our aromatic naming previously.